In today's episode, I want to show you how to cook or how to prepare popcorn without popcorn machine. So first thing first, we add our oil. After adding our oil, salt. We are using cane salt. Ongeza salt. So if you have a flavor that you want your popcorn to have, you can use. For me, I want to use masala. So I'm going to add masala so that it has that taste masala. Then today we are going to use maruti corns. You just stir your maruti corn and you pour. See that? Yeah. So you just mix so that the oil can reach every corner and every seed of the coin. Then after you are done mixing them together all, I'm going to simmer it for a few seconds before it starts to pop. And one fun fact is that not all corns pop, only popcorn can pop, because it has an airspace in between them that allows it to pop when it comes in contact with it. Yeah. So I'm going to simmer before it starts popping, then I'll uncover so that you see how it is popping. There we go. There we go. Let me just commentate. That's what's always going on inside the popcorn machine. Exactly what happens. And this is a very delicate point. You have to be very keen. You can see as they pop, it continues to raise up. So this is a delicate point where some can burn. So you have to be keen so that you reduce. When it's too much, reduce so that the remaining at the bottom can continue to pop. There we go, guys. We already have our popcorn ready. And so after I've shown you how to prepare popcorn, which we are done, I'm going to show you how to make caramel popcorn. And remember, in this series, this is our episode 2 of caramel popcorn. How to make caramel popcorn at home without using a popcorn machine. So we are going to make caramel in our series, caramel episode 3. So stay put, stay tuned, stay watching. So guys, when your caramel is ready and you already prepared your popcorn, this is how we make caramel popcorn. You spread your caramel on top. then so after this you just turn it gently, slowly, so that you don't break your popcorns also. Just slowly. See, I'm doing my cooking stick. Just slowly. Let's do this. There we have it, guys, our caramel popcorn made at home. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next on our next episode. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, like and comment. Tell me where you are, where you're watching in the comment section. Bye bye.